Okay, time to pull out the motor. We got Low Too Slow chilling on the corner right here, helping me out. So yeah, we have to take out these bolts. I've already taken out everything. So the only thing I have to do is hoist it up and then remove the motor mounts. I'm not gonna show you all that. I'm just gonna show you lifting this off the car and then maybe dropping in the other one. But before then, I'm gonna clean this all up for the next week. So let's go. This is like the worst spot to do anything. Let me clear. Okay, hold on. Okay. Can we pull back a little bit? Straight back. Yeah. Hold on. Okay, go. Pull. That's good. Keep going.